Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on drawing anime or manga eyes. I've had a few requests over on my social media, on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and whatnot, just saying, you know, what kind of different eyes I can draw and sort of basically how I do them. I've been doing quite a lot of anime recently, I'm really enjoying doing them, so I thought I'd just put this quick tutorial together. The thing to look out for when you're doing anime eyes is making sure that you're keeping the pupils very dark and there's always a whitish area. Now, on a lot of my anime I've been doing recently, I've been colouring them in, but I thought for this video I would just do some pen and ink. So I'm just cross-hatching. The closer you put the lines together, the darker the area looks. So I'm not just scribbling over certain areas with this. This is cross-hatching, so it's a series of lines. And I'm making sure to always leave a white patch or a white area so that it looks slightly more realistic. You can get loads of different forms of eye shape. You can make them look surprised if you're keeping the eye slightly bigger. You can make them look sad if you're keeping a white bit underneath the iris. There's quite often eyelashes sticking out to the sides. In most cases there's 3 eyelashes. Some cases there's only 1 sticking out right at the side. It's really important to sort of get the overall look of the sides of the eyes. As you can see, if we've got a straighter part coming across the top of the eye, it looks slightly more serious or more sinister. If you're leaving a rounded top with quite a lot of white, as you can see on the second left hand drawing, that gives you a more surprised look. The one on the right hand side, the second one on the right, I've left quite a large area of white. This is the shine that I'm talking about. This just gives it a slightly more realistic look. But practice makes perfect, like everything. So what I would suggest doing is just give them a go. Have a look at some reference images. Maybe stop this video, pause it, have a little go at them. Obviously I'm doing this in time lapse. This took me probably around about 30 minutes to do all 6 of these, but really enjoyed doing them. Thanks so much for watching. I hope it helped you out. If you've subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. If you haven't, I hope you'd consider subscribing to the channel. I'm really enjoying doing these anime artworks at the moment. If you've got any requests for me, guys, then please send them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit me up on social media, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.